You're tuned in to the city's only international radio station. And this is Good Morning Delhi with your host, Chris.
Radio 1.
All right, welcome back to the show. And of course, it's time now for Money Talk. Thank you so much for your questions. If your answer doesn't come in at this point in time, don't worry. It's in queue. Ab Qatar mein hai, like they say. Joining me on the show, of course, is Amit Kukreja of Wealth Being Advisors, fee-only advisor. Here's a question that's come in from Deepa. And she says, I intend going in for a home loan this year. I'm wondering whether that qualifies me for any tax advantages. Good question.
It does. So home loan does qualify for a lot of income tax advantages. So let's understand two parts. First, are you taking a home loan on a property for self-use, or are you taking a home loan on a property that you're renting it out to a tenant? So if it's former, which is a self-use, you get two areas where you can claim income tax advantages. First, any principal you pay back that goes under Section 80C as a standard deduction, and any interest payment that you have done to the bank up to 2 lakh rupees is qualified as an income tax deduction as well. That comes under a separate section 24B. Okay, so that's self-use. Now, if you have taken a home loan for a property which you are letting out, then it's a let out status. In that case, the interest payment that you make to the bank does not have any limit in terms of getting exempted from income tax.
Really?
So the entire interest amount is exempted from tax against the rent that you make. So there is a subtle calculation that needs to be done. But the point to be noted down is there is no limit in case of let out property, and there is a limit of 2 lakh rupees only on the interest component on the self-use property.
Wow.
So home loan does create a lot of tax advantage for you.
All right, okay. So if you've been sitting on that decision, I think you might want to make good on it as far as buying a home, whether for self-use or even if you want to just let it out and use it as an investment. Thanks a lot, Amit, for coming
Pleasure.
over. We're going to be having more, of course, these queries. These keep coming in. We've got so many queries when it comes to investing and taking care of our money. Bring them over. Don't sit on them anymore. SMS ONE, leave a space, type your name, type your query in and send it to 53650. Coming up, of course, great music on the other side.